How to get your TikTok account unbanned. Now, if there are some issues why your account was totally banned from TikTok without any violating any rules and regulations directly from TikTok, so here's how. Just simply create another tab from your browser, whatever it is, from your laptop or from your mobile phone. Just head directly to TikTok support. Now you will be having multiple options in here. Just scroll down a bit till you find this option here that says TikTok contact. Now you will now then be redirected to the contact official site on TikTok and head on support.tiktok.com. On the search bar, just simply type in banned, and then in here go to content violations and bans. Scroll down a bit till you find the highlighted blue link that says appeal this decision. Click on that, then scroll down once again, and then go directly to contact us. Now this is where you'll have to choose on necessary options for you to be catered out from TikTok support. Now choose on the relevant topic, which is going to be on your account, your TikTok username, and as well as your contact email, additional details. Your contact email should be your email address associated with your account. Then if you do have a screenshot about that rules and regulations that you have violated, then you can just simply upload it here. Then tick these two boxes right here and hit on submit. Now once you have successfully sent out a support file from TikTok, all you have to do is just to wait for them to get back to you on the email address that you entered here. And that's basically it. So that's how you get your TikTok account unbanned.